What up, guys? It's Blade Master here, and we're coming back at you with a new episode of Pokemon openings. We have the Articuno 10. It's going to be a part 1 of 3. We're going to have the other 2 later on, and we're going to turn that into a complete setup. But as you can see, we're going to open it up and get going. As you can see, we're going to take just a minute away from the new Scarlet and Violet set and just switch it up, give you a little bit taste of something different. But we will keep at it. But here we go. We're doing a little bit different, but we are fine. But with this, we get to switch it up and go to Crown Zenith. Back for a minute. Because that's what comes in these packs is Crown Zenith. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna get at it as soon as I can get this stupid thing out. It's Cage. So here is our beautiful card. Absolute beautiful card. And here are our packs. So, I mean, yeah, it's just a 5, but we're fine with 5. We're going to have to go back to the old card trick instead of doing the one we've been doing, which is just the 1. So let's see if I can do that and not just completely butcher it again. Go with Fire Energy. Okay, let's get that out of the way. See, Crown Zenith is just an amazing pack. The pulls are just insane. So it makes me want to get more, and that's why I want to open up more of these 10s. Just so we can. And we hit with the very first hit of the pack, which it's okay, mediocre. I'm more about getting a legendary out of it. Look at that beautiful card right there. It's nothing really. Crown Zenith is pretty awesome. It's definitely one of my favorite I gotta get one of their ETBs so we can do an official opening of an ETB, because I've never done a Crown Zenith ETB opening. We're actually gonna be doing later this month. We're gonna be doing a Poke Center opening, Fighting Energy. So we got ETB Ultra Ball, Crushing Hammer. We got ETB from Poke Center to open up, and it's going to be the Scarlet Edition. First time ever going through Poke Center. Okay, I'll take it. Got 3 packs left. The main reason I wanted this was just strictly for the legendary card. There really wasn't. Can't disrespect my Marshomp. All love. Fire Energy. Yeah. Ultra Ball. I just skipped one. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, can't disrespect him. He's our king right there. Shinx. I can't even. Honestly, this is the first time I've gone through Crown Zenith and hasn't really pulled much from it. I got 2 packs left. But, I mean, that can change. But yeah, normally I've been really lucky with Crown Zenith, but it's... I think it's just with the 10s. I have always the issues. Yeah. It's nothing against it. We have 1 back left, but Gloom. Switch. Nothing against it. It's just the 10s I seem to never have. Oh my god, look at that Milk Tank. We got a double hit, but look at that beautiful card. Absolute beautiful. I can't even open up this pack. Last pack. Let's see if we get some last pack magic. Fighting energy. I mean, I am now happy I got this, because that card right there just made my day. Great ball. I mean, it's the last pack. We can slow a little bit down, enjoy some art. But... look at that beautiful card. Oh my god. It's... once again... look at that beautiful Mew. Once again, Crown Zenith comes in clutch, giving me some epic cards. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful cards. But other than that, that's all we will be opening up in this episode. This is the part 1. We will have... it's a 3-parter for this one, and it will be combined into one big video at the end. So this is part 1. Get ready for part 2 coming soon. This is Blademaster signing off. Peace. Hit that like and hit that subscribe. What is up, guys? It's Blademaster here, coming at you with part 2 of the video. We're just going to open up both the Moltres and the Zapdos 10s today. Yeah, I decided, oh, I'm going to do... let's just not do the whole 3-part. Let's just go simply with 1 and 2. Make it easy. Give you a little bit more content in one video instead of just doing what I did last time. So let's put that right there. Let's get the packaging off these bad boys and get at it. Yeah. Okay. First and foremost, get these bad boys out. Let's put the packs right there. And then let's get at it. Because it's exciting. It's cool that we got the birds. Articuno was pretty cool to open up. I mean, all Crown Zenith is pretty epic to open. Pretty normal, pretty good. I enjoy every second of it. Look at that first card out of it. Zap. Just throw that right there. So, I mean, it's cool that we're getting these out. I still believe Articuno. I prefer the Articuno art the best out of all of it. Let's get that out of the way. So we have 10 Crown Zenith packs to open up tonight. Our Poke Center ETB will be coming in very soon, actually. Supposedly it'll come in by the time we're recording this video. Will be coming in that day. So we'll be doing a video of that very soon then too, on top of that. Fighting Energy, let's start it off. Digging Duo. I mean, it's been exciting the past couple days. Crushing Hammer, we've gotten some really cool artwork, some really cool cards out of it. Let's hope to get some more of the actual trainer galleries. Aeron. Potion. Okay. Crown Zenith is honestly been one of the cooler decks when it comes to what comes out of the packs. We're hoping to get more of the gallery cards out of there. Let's go with Fire Energy. Let's get those cards out. It'd be very cool. But I mean, you know the deal. It doesn't always happen that way. Bidoof. Going into our third pack. We have 10 packs today, so we're hoping to get a couple good packs out of here. I mean, if not, that's fine by me. We're just on the hunt, getting some cool new cards. Some cool content and some new cards for the fun of it. Water Energy. Shinx. Oddish. Sealy. Potion. Lapras. Look at that. So we finally pulled the Lapras card out of here. I mean, it's a beautiful card. It's one of the ones I've been searching for. So that is awesome. We're making a very strong start. Because the last time we opened it up, we got the Mew and the Milk Tank. Getting the Lapras version of this is a major positive. Let's try to get past that. Let's get some more cards. Fire Energy. Got Electric starting off the bat. It's like right now, even though this is not the air we are, we're just gonna go back a little bit, but then we're gonna pick right up into Scarlet and Violet. Because, dude, it's a hot pack. I mean, I haven't got the coolest cards out of it yet. So, I mean, we're working on it. Fighting Energy, starting off the bat. Digging Duo, Ultra Ball. Tangela. Meowth. Whalmer.
Scyther, Aggron. That's a cool little hollow Aggron right there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's once again we're gonna go back at those cards in a sec after I open this pack and see after that. But yeah, getting Crown Zenith is always pretty fun. Fire Energy. I will say, as we open up more Scarlet and Violet later on this month, I really want to try get the Sandile cards. Ditto. Got 4 packs left. But yeah, it's like I want the Sandile card. Sandile's a pretty awesome card. And Sandile's a pretty awesome Pokemon in general. It's Psychic Energy. Sandile is awesome. He's just always been awesome. One of my personal favorites. I mean, it's not coughing. It's not really everyone has their own thing. It's like Mudkip. Mudkip is my favorite starter out of all of them. Look at this beauty. Mewtwo Hollow got a double hit. A Lunar Stone. Just look at this beautiful card. We're getting there, and yeah, it's my favorite starter definitely is Mudkip. Marshomp is, like as you can see right there, my PSA grade card I do have. Definitely a chaser I think everyone should want. Yeah, I can't even do guest energy. We got V-Star. Going back, I mean, look at that Wintone. It's a pretty awesome card. Tangela. It's just all the gallery cards in Crown Zenith is what makes this pack so worth it. We got 2 packs left. It's just a good pack with lots of great cards in it. Yeah, Scarlet and Violet is pretty fun so far. Just the base set. I think Roaring Skies is next. As the next set coming out, which we'll see what we do. Mr. Mime, Sunkard, Bidoof, Shinx. We got 1 pack left. I mean, it's once again, it's sometimes Crown Zenith has been either one that I will pull every pack out of one set will be instant. Oh my god, every pack's a awesome thing, but we got water type starting up, but it's what it is. The tins are tins. We got the base cards from the tins that I wanted. I just wanted to complete the legendary birds real quick, and then all the extras extra. I am glad to get what we got, and yeah, that's what it is. Shinx. We're gonna see if we get any last pack magic, and what we did get last pack magic. Look at that beautiful card. Today we were successful in pulling some pretty epic cards, as you can see. Last pack magic once again hit our luck. Crown Zenith coming in clutch. It's just beautiful cards out of it. We got new cards we haven't added to our collection, and then we got the we just finished up the Legendary Bird Tin collection, and there you go with that portion. But other than that, after this video, our next video, we'll go back into Scarlet and Violet, and beyond that, we will be trying to get the tins to Scarlet and Violet when those come out, but those come out next month. So that will be a while, but other than that, it's pretty cool. I will show you back to my PSA card I have. Other than that, it's what it is. I mean, we got some epic cards out of here. Other than that, this is gonna be Blademaster signing off for tonight. Hit the like, hit the subscribe if you're new to this channel. Give us some love. We're growing. And yeah, it's like if we keep on growing at the rate we're going, we're gonna do really cool. We got some really cool things involved. But other than that, this is Blademaster signing out.